Hello and welcome to my channel magento pwastudio. And today if you see here I have got some reviews. Magento where here are the reviews of Magento. So I'm going to show you how to get it in pwa without any further delay. Let's get started. So for the code purpose I'll be giving you my GitHub link and description. You can check it. So here you have the local instance first. Go to the local interceptor.js and go from here. First you need to do is um, there's a constant and you need to record this PWA build page. So if you call this unit, you'll be getting the reviews. So I'll explain you the point of code, every piece of code. No worries on that. And remember, this all content is are about our previous videos. So you can go down. So see this target tables where this is used. So here it's used. So const I can call it in this using targets when we're just using that. So in const you have product details. In these product details, so I've called this function and command with the react components, and this is my path where the product details is there. So you can ask me why are you doing that, but here's the process how to get the product details from the Magento. So we have to give this is in node modules. When you go to node modules, check Magento, when you have UI, lib components and product details, and there you have product details.js. In this file, we have to just use this file to our required output. So here is our main content. So const product review, a product detailed, just adding it. So this is the declared name what I have declared, and the source components. This is my path of logic where I have written. So this what I have called here and it should be in here and at the starting of the product details also. So here we have the JS content which is in reviews prompts. So yeah, just calling the product details again here. There is nothing but which is coming from here. So sorry, the main content is kind of coming from here product details, so that I'm just calling it here. So let's go on to our logic where I have written. So reviews.js. So the actual thing is you'll be getting the review content. We have to send the request for the Magento through GraphQL. So this is the review.graphql. So this is the GraphQL query how to call the product reviews. So without this query, and this will not at all work to get the product reviews. Each and every step is very important. What I'm going to show you, please focus on it and try to understand and implement it in your local. So you can go to this code. You can go to directly GitHub. So from reviews, if you can, for targets, you can go to targets, and directly from source I have written first the code. Go to components, and here you have reviews. So all these three files are these three files what we are seeing here. So there's GraphQL request. So for creating a GraphQL, you need to to tell the PWA that this is a graphical request, so that you have to write the file name as file name and dot graphical.js. So in this way, you'll be just declaring it, and in the same way, and this is my request. So I'm just giving this name, particular some name, and graphical reviews SQ. So here, what we'll do is when you check it, I was just doing it dynamically. When you do it static, check it for a single product first. Like for example, see I'm doing for this product, you will be having your SQ, place this SQ here, or you can directly place it here. So okay, just leave this query, and this is the way query of items, your ID, review content, review summary, and this is the review items what we get. So we'll be getting the average rating, summary, text, created that nickname. I show you that how. Go to console, keep it here. Sorry, go to NIV and keep it here. See, you'll be getting please give me a minute. Oh, this site cannot be reached. Why? Well, sorry, I just come out. So I'm running yarn run watch. So this will run fine now. Use. I will let me change it. And paste it here. Yeah, right now it's fine. Go to men's and go to tops. Comments and tops. So here go to the certain product. See here you can get the details of this SQ. We are loading it with SQ of magento MS07. You can see this here MS07. So in that your products, items, in items go to 0 and check the reviews. In the reviews, inside of it, you got product review, product reviews, summary, text, summary, text, and average rating. Average rating is here. So this is the text what we get and the comment. So this is how the is the text. So are in waiting. So in this we will be calling to graphical query. We got some name also there. So I'm going to JS review.js. Here is the main logic what we have written. So first use GraphicQL. You have to just import it. The main thing is here you have written the GraphicQL, right? So this thing should be called here. So get product reviews. Get product reviews from where? From the same folder. So one dot and calling the review.graphql.js. So this is the formatting for messages and full page loader will be using this content mostly in this video as well as coming videos. So what this do is your page, your new page will load and get the data what we required here. So that's why we are writing this full page load instance. So that's all from lim components. So that is the file name, sorry, folder name. So what here we are written is we have just created a const review props. In this props, you are inserting the product SKUs. So all the product SKUs, we are just loading the SKUs. As we know, we are getting this all this from product details. So that I'm adding the props dot product details dot SKU. So here with this SKUs, I'm just creating a constant loading error data and use the query. The query is nothing but get products reviews, so that we are calling from it here. So these product reviews, and we are opening the flower braces and writing the variable declaration for it. So the variable is nothing but product SKU, which I have declared here. So in this we have details and SKUs. From this product details, we are loading it from the SKUs and getting the data. So what we are telling it here is const class view styles. This is for style purposes, not an issue with this. And here we are writing the data. So what is data? So the product reviews what we are getting from GraphicQL is just going to this data. We are getting the content into this data. So I'm giving an if condition here. So if the data, so if not dead, the data is loaded, return full page loading instance. So load the data and show it here. If there are any errors, if errors, return the error message. For example, I'm just commenting this. So it gets loaded here. Is the error. Get reviews is not defined. So here get reviews is not defined. How the error is showing? Here we have declared it, we have called it. If there are any errors, please display the error. So that it's displaying. If the page is successfully loading, load the full page. If there is any error, display the error. So I'm just displaying the data what we are getting the data and console log the data. Console log data. So with this data we are displaying it in the console. So opening the console. So here this is the product name, nickname, what I have written in the do here, name and summary and text. How did I get this content? Let me tell you. We have just console logged it. So when you go to console log, this is the SKU was loaded with my loaded right now, and go to the here products, go to products, inside of the products, go to items, Go to items, go to 0 and go to this reviews. Here we have reviews, right? In this reviews, we have items. In items, we have the content. What is that content? I have bought only three things. One is summary, and the thing is text, and the nickname of it, and the nickname. Nothing but this product. So let's concentrate on these two item things like a source and text and the nickname what we got. So this type name that display that nickname, and so this is in the array format, completely array format. So this data should be displayed here. So if you don't write this, the line of content const get reviews dot data, how we have to get this console data, and how the console data should be displayed here. Actually, console data should be displayed here. How to do that? So when you just console log, we got here data. In data we have products. So into this format. So just I have done what I have done is data dot products dot items and then zero in the format. So that I have just given the brackets and zero dot reviews dot items. There is the item. Here is the items. So these are the items. So when I have done this, check it carefully. So now just console log this. See the changes. What has been loaded. See directly under the SKU, you'll be getting the product reviews, summary, and the text content average. What is there? So directly, so I have written this logic here. So I would define a variable in the const or declared a variable. In const, I have given another declared another variable and just mapped it here. So mapping is just we do for only the array contents now. So that I have called that variable and mapped it through a variable called items. Sorry, to the element called items. So this element is called here. So when the nickname here, nickname and summary and text are nothing but summary and text. See here we have the nickname. So this nickname in this nickname display this element's nickname and item nickname, item summary. So these elements come from here. That's it. The element what we write and dot nickname is from here and the summary of the particular product and the text of the particular product. So this thing will be displayed there. So we are just returning it into a hashtag and formatting that message called product reviews. You can see this content here. So product reviews. Under that I have displayed the retail items, related items. So where this related items has come from here, the variable what we have declared. I'm just directly returning it here so that the content was directly displayed here. For checking purpose, you can go to the magento and check the reviews. So get trained reviewed by Don. Okay, reviewed by Donald. This is the nickname and great training top. Where is it? Great, and top is the text displayed. So that's all for today. Thank you, and never forget to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel and share it with the persons who is learning PWA. Thank you.